Yo, hello my friends, how are you? How are you feeling? Where is the sunshine? Hey, where? No sunshine, autumn. Yes, today, it's not usual video. I have some car with the abnormal problem and we will resolve it. Maybe, we'll see. This is the Yaris, red color, 1.3 petrol. And what we have the problem. And what is the problem? The car is working, but it was driving and stop and no driving. After half of day it was staying and start to drive again. And what is the trouble code? Look at this. Only one trouble code, P0500, vehicle speed sensor. Okay, so look at this. We have the wire diagram and description from Toyota. What is the problem, how to resolve, and look at this. It's on Russian, but it's no problem, I will translate you. It say like this. This the vehicle speed sensor, okay? And how it working? This is the ABS system, this is the dash, and this is the TCM. So ABS have 4 ABS sensors, and the signal, it received the signal and sent signal of speed to dashboard, to this dashboard, and from dashboard it going to transmission control module, to TCM. Okay, so let's check where yet we have the troubles. Look at this. We have trouble code in transmission control module. Now let's check in ABS. We don't have trouble code in ABS. It means that all wheels sensors are good. Okay, let's also check the dashboard combination meter. And also we don't have some trouble code. It means that from ABS to combination meter it's no problem. All signals are received. Also let's check with the engine. We don't need it, but we check. Also we don't have. So what it mean? It mean that from ABS we receive signal to dashboard, but from dashboard we don't receive to TCM, and this is the problem. So we need to resolve this problem. How I will do it? I will now found where is the some wire problem. I just will take new wire and will do it new wire from dashboard to TCM. We have, this is for Toyota Corolla, but well, you see it's wire diagram. So I will find this wire. Now it's working. You see, now it's working. If I will clear the code, it will start and it will drive maybe months, maybe 2 months. You see, this is this for Corolla, not for Yaris. Yaris a little different, but I have connector from TCM, and TCM is the same. So I will check this pin to dashboard to dashboard to this dashboard, and we'll put new wire. So this is the connector, you see. Oh, this connectors from dash, and this connector from TCM, you see. Oh yeah, baby. I will use this. What is this? You see, this one and this one. Ooh. Ooh. So repair is done. Yaris is working. I will do some test drive and we will see if it will come back or will not come back. In any case, he will call me if it will have some problem. Yeah. So once again, if you need some help, some parts, refurbished clutch actuators with warranty, yeah, I'm making the high quality. Call me, message me, I can help you. Thank you. По скриптум. Да, Йос, скажи что-нибудь.